Hello, friends. For decades, aging in pets was treated as an inevitable decline. We were told that dogs and cats slow down, lose energy, forget routines, and develop health issues simply because they are old. But now science is telling a different story. A powerful wave of new research is reshaping everything we thought we knew about senior pets. From the inner workings of their brains to the microscopic balance of their gut, from the way their cells age to the emotional memory they carry, what we are learning is changing how we care for pets in their final years. And the most shocking part is that many of the struggles we have accepted as just part of getting older are not only manageable, but often preventable. This is not just a video. It is a turning point in how you see your dog or cat, and it could add years of comfort, clarity, and joy to their life. The first major breakthrough comes from studies on the gut-brain connection. Researchers have discovered that the microbiome, the community of bacteria inside a pet's digestive tract, plays a massive role in how they age. It does not just influence digestion. It affects mood, memory, inflammation, and immune strength. As pets age, their microbiome changes. Good bacteria decrease, bad bacteria flourish, and the result is a cascade of effects throughout the body. Inflammation rises, nutrient absorption drops, brain fog increases. But here is the incredible part. When scientists introduced targeted probiotics and prebiotic fibers into the diets of senior pets, their vitality returned. Dogs and cats began moving more easily, remembering commands, and showing more interest in their surroundings. The gut, it turns out, may be the true foundation of aging. Another revolutionary insight comes from brain imaging studies on aging pets. Just like humans, senior dogs and cats develop changes in their brains over time. But new research shows that these changes are not simply wear and tear. They are accelerated or slowed by lifestyle, environment, and stimulation. In controlled trials, pets that receive daily cognitive exercises, such as Zen games or puzzle feeders, maintain stronger memory and orientation skills than those left mentally unstimulated. But that is not all. The emotional bond with their caregiver played a measurable role in neurological resilience. Pets who felt secure, touched, and spoken to regularly had lower cortisol levels and healthier brain chemistry. Love, science now confirms, is not just emotional. It is biological protection. On the cellular level, another field of research is exploding with promise. Scientists have identified specific cells in aging pets that stop dividing and begin emitting inflammatory signals. These zombie cells build up over time, contributing to arthritis, organ stress, and fatigue. But in a groundbreaking veterinary study, compounds found in certain plants were shown to reduce senescent cell load in aging animals. This means natural ingredients could one day help delay the effects of cellular aging in our pets. While more research is needed, the idea that we could influence aging at the cellular level is no longer science fiction. It is active science. Environmental research has also delivered important findings. Indoor air quality, cleaning products, and even light exposure all impact how senior pets age. Long-term exposure to toxins from common floor cleaners and synthetic fragrances has been linked to respiratory stress and immune dysregulation in older pets. Meanwhile, animals with access to natural light, stable routines, and low-stress environments showed slower cognitive decline. This proves that the environment we create is not neutral. Every choice, from the scent of the room to the type of floor cleaner used, contributes to the aging process or helps defend against it. Even emotional science is making waves. In one study, researchers tracked the behavior and physiology of senior dogs who were visited daily by a familiar human versus those who lived in high-quality, but more isolated conditions. The results were staggering. The dogs who received daily emotional contact showed stronger cardiovascular health, better sleep rhythms, and slower cognitive decline. The takeaway is clear. Connection heals. For pets, love is not just comfort. It is biological nourishment. And perhaps most exciting of all is the discovery that age is not a fixed timeline. Two pets of the same breed, size, and age can have dramatically different biological ages, depending on diet, activity, emotional care, and exposure to stress. This opens the door to personalized aging strategies. Instead of accepting a decline, we can now build a proactive plan based on science, tailored nutrition, strategic movement, cognitive enrichment, clean environments, emotional presence. These are not luxury options. They are the new essentials for senior pet care. So what does all of this mean for you and your pet? It means that you are not powerless. It means that what you do today shapes what tomorrow will look like. Your dog's slow steps may not be about age. Your cat's disinterest may not be about attitude. These could be messages that their body needs something different, something better. And now science is showing us how to listen, feed the gut, stimulate the brain, eliminate toxins, honor their routines, touch them, speak to them, let them feel your love, not as a gesture, but as a daily presence. Because now we know love is medicine, food is therapy, environment is healing, and you are the key to it all. This is more than new information. It is a new era in how we treat our most loyal companions. Science is giving us tools, but compassion, commitment, and presence will always be the heart of what keeps them young. Thank you for caring enough to learn. Your pet is lucky to have you.